Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope everyone is doing well. So let's start. So we have seen in our last video we have covered that manage tax period and manage accounting period. So these are the topic we have covered in that our previous video. So in that today's video, we'll go through like currency. What is the use of currency or how to create a currency? What is the use of base currency? What is base currency? Currency? How to assign a currency to customer? How to assign a customer currency to vendor? Currency exchange rate? Let's go through step by step. So, what is a currency? Currency is a system of money used to in the particular country. For a financial transaction in NetSuite currency are used to record transaction, maintain financial record, and manage multi-currency operation for global businesses. When we talk about the key features for currency in NetSuite, so base currency, default currency for a company or subsidiary. Default that will be a default currency will be like base currency for Indian subsidiary like INR. The base currency, foreign currency, additional currency is used for international transaction. Currency exchange rate, conversion rate between different currencies. That is the currency exchange rate. Multi-currency support. That should allow business to work with multiple currency by enabling multi-currency customer and vendor. Creating a new currency record in NetSuite. Currency record define a specific currency in enabling transaction multiple currencies. A step to create a new currency record. How we can create a new currency record? We need to navigate or set up accounting currency. Click on new, enter the details, currency name, symbol, ISO code, the international currency code like Euro, USD, INR, exchange rate, decimal precision up to two decimal format currencies, currency format like separated by comma, separated by dot, inactive check if the currency is no longer in use. We need just save. So what is the base currency? Base currency in the sense like a default currency of a company's financial record. It is used for financial reporting, consolidation, and tracking all transaction in a single currency. That is the base currency. Key point about base currency. It is set at a subsidiary level in a one world account, multi-subsidiary. Once assigned to a subsidiary, it cannot be changed. All transactions within a subsidiary are converted into a base currency for financial reporting. How to set up a base currency? Navigate to subsidiary, set up company, subsidiary, select currency you want to configure, assign a base currency. In the base currency field, select currency for the subsidiary, click to confirm and save. Okay, let's see how to assign base currency. For example, our subsidiary is navigate to set up company, subsidiary, parent company. After that, in the first one is a parent company, and this is the child company, our subsidiary. So, like it represent to India, subsidiary. Here we can see the currency, how we can assign the currency. Now, this is the base currency. Here we can assign that currency at the creation of. So this will be that base currency based on subsidiary. Then we can save it. Here we can define the nexus or jurisdiction to collect the taxes. That's it. Now we'll see how to create a currency. We need to navigate list accounting currency new. So these are the currency we have created for Indian subsidiary. Name is INC, default language Indian English, ISO code. ISO code in the sense India three-letter international standard organization ISO code for this currency. For example, you would be PHP for Philippines, Indian IND. This kind of code we can assign and update time zone here. Time zone is available for only GMT, Eastern, US, Canada. We can select that. Auto, if we'll select this checkbox, it will auto update because currency exchange rate is updating randomly. Update currency exchange rate daily. So it can't be a same for all the days. So maybe it is a uh, moving from low to high, high to low, or like that. So it will auto update. What is the base currency to format decimal format is the base currency. So we can give here if the currency is base currency, we can select the checkbox and we can save this. So it will be like in the come in the base currency format. Override, if we'll select this checkbox, the override currency format. So once we will check this format, the currency format will change to this new format. So we can give here symbol. So we can give that Indian rupees dollar. So symbol placement format before number. So where symbol should come. So before number. So now we can see that currency format. Rupees symbol 1,234.56. This is the number format. So in this way we can create a currency. So just click on save it. So it will create a new currency. What next? Now base currency next. So how to assign a currency to a customer. So each customer in NetSuite can be assigned to a specific currency in their transaction. So what? Let's see step by step. Go to navigate to customer. Go to list relationship customer. Edit that existing customer or create a new customer. Set up the customer currency in the financial sub-tab, select currency from the drop-down. Only one currency can be assigned to per customer unless multi-currency customer is enabled. Multi-currency enable feature in the one sense if we will use the international level, then we can allow that multiple currency. So multiple currency can be assigned to the customer at the time. We'll see that later. So save the customer record, effect to assign of customer to current currency to customer or transaction like invoice, payment, sales order for that customer will be assigned in that currency. If multi-currency customer are enabled, you can assign multiple currency to one customer. So let's say how to assign a currency to customer. List, relationship, and customer. So we need to select the customer. For example, we can search here customer. So we have created customer lastly. So we can say this is our customer. We can click on view. Suppose we are going to assign the currency to this customer. Then we can click on edit. So here we can define the required things. Customer subsidiary based on subsidiary that base currency will be used. So here come to go to financial subtype. Here primary currency. This is like base currency. So we can use field help to understand better. We can define the currency here. So this here from here we can define the currency. So what are the currency? Only once for single. If we are not enabling the multi currency enable feature, then we can use only one currency to the customer, and we can save. So this is the way how we can assign currency to a customer. So just now we have seen how to assign a currency to a customer. So in the our that's it for today. I think we covered the how we have learned how to assign a customer currency to a customer. What is currency and what is the use of currency. So we have assigned learned that currency to a customer. So in our next video, we'll learn how to assign a currency to a vendor. Now, what is vendor? How to assign a currency and currency exchange rate in our seeing our next video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for notes, tips, and tutorials. Let's stay tuned for our next chapter, next video. Happy learning. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.